building and this oven. We call this tone in Georgian. Georgia is from the Persian culture, if you know tandoori. And if you go to like Lebanon, to Middle East, into India, they also have tandoori in their culture. The oldest examples of tone in Georgia date back to around 3000 BC. This is really old for our culture. We just sort of adapted it and we make Georgia bread inside. Okay, so the inside cylinder, that's clay. You can take pictures, by the way. The inside cylinder, that's clay, and when clay gets hot, it becomes sticky, which allows us to stick the dough on the insides of the clay, right? The middle part is cement, and on the outside is wooden planks. Actually, the wood is really important on the outside because you can see when it's leaning over to put the bread in, the wood is protecting his legs from burning. So it's really important you have the wood on the outside as well. Okay? So what they did was they put fire down in the morning and then took out the fire and they choked them. Yeah. Is it hot?
No, it's just okay.
What does this shape remind you guys of?
Moon.
Exactly, so it's a crescent moon shape, like a half moon shape. The thing is, before we were Christian, we were pagans, we believed in the sun and the moon deity. That's why the bread, generally a lot of Georgian cuisine has a lot of pagan symbols. Even in Kali, if you look at it from the top, you're gonna see a sun, like the heart of the sun, and then from the bottom it's a full moon. Even in the bread, it's a crescent moon shape because people believed in the moon deities. Okay? That's bad. Because it's really hot down there, it's like 400 or 500 degrees to the very bottom. The bread needs about 7 or 8 minutes to bake. That's it. And they're gonna take it out to our table outside. Okay? So let's go out. I'm gonna prepare a table. Meanwhile, they actually also will give us tomatoes. It's like whenever there's a season, they also give us tomatoes. So we're gonna make a small sandwich. Okay? Yeah. Let me go up the one.
O, vedi le,